This is why you need a camera doorbell now. Your home security will never be the same again. Imagine never missing a package again, or knowing who's at your door even when you're miles away. With a camera doorbell, you get real-time alerts straight to your phone. And it doesn't stop there. Facial recognition, night vision, two-way audio. These aren't just fancy features, they're game changers. It's like having a security guard right at your front door. Plus, it can deter potential thieves just by being there. Your home, your rules, your peace of mind. So what are you waiting for? Upgrade to a camera doorbell and take control of your home security today.